G'day cocktail lovers. Thought it'd be fun to have a bit of a chat about smoking cocktails. Something I'm a fan of. There's a lot of different ways to do it. I'm going to show you 3 ways to smoke a cocktail, from a very light touch to a medium to a very smoky version. What you smoke the cocktail with is up to you. I'm using applewood chips. In the past I've used crushed cinnamon and herbs as well. Go with what you like. The lightest touch is to torch your wood chips here and then put your shaker glass over the top of it and let that get some nice smoke fill in it, and then actually shake your cocktail. There's nothing in here! YouTube is a lie! Trust nobody! Most of the smoke will dissipate when you shake a cocktail after putting some smoke into your shaker, but there'll be these tiny hints of smoke that can add a really nice depth to a cocktail. Level 2 is put the glass you're going to use over the smoke and let the glass fill with smoke, and then put in your ice and your cocktail, and you're going to get quite a nice amount of smoke in there. The maximum smoke method, use a smoker on top of your glass. There are some really expensive pump action smoking machines. I don't recommend going for that. Go for one that sits on top of the glass, and if it's got a little hole in it like this is a beautifully made one I have, a little bit of physics come in and that actually draws the air through and gets really good smoke action going in there. With your cocktail already in your glass, put the smoker on top and fire away, and you get some really nice smoke penetration in there. Plus it looks really cool when you take the top off. I want to say thank you to the gnome from the Gnome's Tavern who actually suggested talking about smoking cocktails, and also Matt the Whiskey Nerd who did that technique with just getting a little bit of smoke in your shaker. He's the first person I ever saw use that technique, so I borrowed it from him. And I hope you found some use in those techniques. It's fun to experiment. It's just another layer of flavour. And of course, experimenting with what you actually torch to create the smoke makes things different all over again. It's worth exploring. I hope you give it a go. Until I see you again, I'll just say cheers.